We're just trying to find. Oops. हने माँ छा डिस दम.
स्टेज पे किया तो कर लिया. किसी को सुनाई नहीं देगा. माइक मेरे पास है.
Ha ha ha.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Stories by Suhani. This is going to be a very special vlog because me and my family are flying to Turkey for my parents' 25th anniversary and I decided to vlog, and this series is going to be called Turkey Tales. So don't forget to come along and watch what we did in Turkey. I'm right now at Frankfurt Airport waiting for my flight to Turkey, Istanbul, and yeah, I've also asked my parents and my sister to vlog, so I hope they are doing that, and if they are, you will see their clips as well after this until we meet, and then you will see clips of all of us together. We are in Istanbul. We just got done with security check. Now let's go and find mom.
Hello बेटा. लैंडस्केप में करो. व्लॉग कर रहे हैं.
वो भी तुमको मैं सिखाऊं.
Vlogging. That's the way I like it.
क्या?
गाना गा रही हूँ मैं. हेलो बेटा.
नहीं मिलिए मत हमसे.
हद ही हो गया. मैम हम एक ही.
Welcome to Istanbul with a lot of luggage and windy weather. Got an upgrade from classic to deluxe. Let's go.
Hello guys, it's day 2 in Istanbul. We landed yesterday and ordered some room service and slept because we were extremely tired. Even though I had like a 3-hour flight, I was very tired. I can't imagine how tired my mom and dad and my sister were because they had really long flights. Waiting for breakfast because I'm very hungry, and I will show you scenes at breakfast afterwards. Going for breakfast. Views on our way to Grand Bazaar. I think we just crossed the Karye Mosque. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly, but so we are in Grand Bazaar right now, and my mom and sister have gone shopping. My dad, I don't know, he was right here. He went somewhere because he's looking for a place to get euros exchanged to Turkish lira, and I'm here vlogging, and I will show you more clips.
I'm scared to put my phone like this, but it's okay. Whatever. It's not even my phone.
Why are you scared? What's
Okay.
scary about that?
I'm like scared because there's just like so many people, right? So
That's uncomfortableness.
no, I'm scared that someone will take
snatch
it.
your phone.
Yeah.
कोई छीन के ले जाएगा. मेरा phone
But-
by the way, and I don't need a new phone right now, so please.
So I'm scared for your phone. But anyways, look at the number of evil eye things, guys. Like इसके अंदर बहुत सारे थे. So we have baklava here. Wow. Oh ठीक है, guys. हमें अभी पूछा गया कि are we YouTubers? So I think we're supposed to say yes. I was just like, whatever. Okay, bro. We are here at Grand Bazaar. I think why the hell is she uploading? I should upload because I'm the vlogger here, guys. Wow, this actually looks good. Let me show you some more. Let me show you some more things.
बकवास अगर तुम्हारी clips है ना मैंने edit करने में जान.
Guys, देखो. अच्छा, okay, cool. We're trying to find like a good evil eye hanging. I think I really like the one that's on the extreme right, like this one. But I don't know about these guys. The third one? Ooh. But right now, let me just do the front camera. Hi. These two ladies are looking so alike. क्या है ये? पोंचू भाई, इसका पोंचू का ऑब्सेशन कब जाएगा गाइस? प्लीज़ समवन. नहीं गाइस, समवन टेल हर दैट पोंचू इज लिटरली आउट ऑफ स्टाइल. It's gone out of style, I think 10 years ago. I don't think so, no. हाँ सीधा आए थे. क्या फ़र्क पड़ता है? अभी ड्राइड नींबू फॉर व्हाट? ये इसके लिए है क्या क्या आलू बॉईल करने के लिए? आलू बॉईल करने के लिए. Cinnamon sticks. We have Turkish saffron. Ooh. There's spices there. Oh my god. ये क्या है? Extra what? देख लिया मैंने. Oh guys, दुबई chocolate spotted. अरे बाप रे, स्मेल करना. मेरे को नहीं दिया guys. मेरे को स्मेल करने नहीं दिया. I'm heartbroken. डिटॉक्स टी, एप्पल टी, भगवान जाने कितने टीज है भाई. Why is it like this?
Quick side note, while I'm editing this, one thing that I found really interesting in touristy areas, especially the Grand Bazaar, was that every shopkeeper, or quite a lot of shopkeepers, they knew basic Hindi. Like they will call you ki idhar aao, idhar aao. There was this one person who I clearly remember, he literally knew counting also. So we asked him the price of something and he was like, ye 900 lira ka hai. So that was something that I found really interesting. मज़ा आया, मतलब बहुत लोग ऐसे बोल रहे थे कि हिंदी में बुला रहे थे. That was fun.
There you go, food is here. This is Döner or this is Döner?
Jonas, Jurum.
That's Döner, this is Durum. We have some, I don't know what this is. What is
जो
this?
जिसको खाना है.
This is the place we are having it at. Okay. So we'll have food and
Then go for a tour.
yeah. So we'll see you then. तो देख के खाना पड़ेगा और एक चीज़ गिरानी चाहिए.
इसमें सॉस नहीं है.
This is Döner.
That is Jurum.
Difference
Wrap
क्या
is
है?
Jurum.
Difference.
रैप और ब्रेड में डिफरेंस है. वो ब्रेड में
अंदर का मसाला बहुत ड्राई है. हमारे यहाँ
सॉस डालते हैं ना वो लोग.
बहुत अच्छा मिलता है.
We are now on our way to the Blue Mosque where we have booked a free walking tour. So, a tip for all the travelers who want to travel in Europe, do not forget to check out for free walking tours. Of course, they are free, but then when you are done with the tour, you need to pay something for the work that the tour guides do. But in comparison to the very expensive ones on different websites and applications, I think it's the best way you can get to know a city. We ate food outside Grand Bazaar, Döner and Durum, and now we are walking to the Blue Mosque. So yeah, and on our way we see different shops. Papa, say hi. And there are my mom and my sister. There you see. This is the premises of the Blue Mosque. The mosque is hiding behind this tree. I don't know if you can hear me, but the mosque is hiding behind this tree.
So this is how beautiful the mosque looks from inside. We had our tour guide with us, so he was telling us different facts about the mosque and explaining different things as well. The fact that amazes me is that all of this was done years ago, and during that time they did not even have those means and resources, but still came up with something so beautiful. It's amazing.
We're still going. That guy is saying, my friends. And I'm tired, my friends. How much are we supposed to walk? This is the other mosque, by the way. What's his name, Mom? Hagia Sophia. That's the name.
Similar to the Blue Mosque,
Oops.
which was made to protect the Hagia Sophia.
Yeah. So Blue Mosque was apparently made to protect this mosque, which is Hagia Sophia. And I think the Blue Mosque looks kind of better.
जूता खोलना होगा तो हम नहीं जाते.
मैं भी नहीं चाहती. ये है क्या था, मैं वापस भूल गई. क्या था इसका नाम? हागिया सुल्तान.
We are here at
मम्मी चाबी से आड़े वॉज किया
restaurant.
अभी यहाँ पे आपका लगता
That is our iced
मैं बोलती
mocha and iced caramel macchiato.
This is this ice mocha.
And we have Sebastian cheese shake.
Mama, this is mocha chocolate. And this is our cheesecake. Sebastian. Wait, you can. डालो chocolate डालो. रुको बाबा. Vlog.
ऐसे उंगली सामने कौन लगा के मेरे से छीनता है फोन. तुमको किसी को सुनाई नहीं देगा. माइक मेरे पास है. हा हा हा. I have the control.
So as you can see, who's the pro vlogger?
कुछ आवाज नहीं आ रहा है.
The pro vlogger guys.
जरूरत नहीं है उसकी बकवास सुनने की.
Guys देखो मेरा चैनल है तो मेरी बातें सुनोगे.
Bakwas. Here we are walking through the streets of Istanbul to the Spice Bazaar, and unfortunately the weather has gotten better. The weather has gotten worse. It is raining, but it's gonna take us around 10 more minutes. So we're just gonna keep walking and hope that the weather gets better soon. The weather unfortunately did not get any better. It has gotten worse. So my dad ran there and we have taken shelter under this roof, or I don't know, Jaeger diamond, so that we are away from the rain. And you can see it's raining very badly. I just hope it gets done with the rain very soon so that we can visit the Spice Bazaar. Since most of Istanbul is built on a hill, you can see how hilly it is, and we are going downhill right now, so we have to be extra careful because after the rain the streets are very slippery. And you can see my special attire for protections against the rain. We do not have an umbrella,
Hi guys.
but
Hi guys, I'm back to you.
that nonsense क्यों? But yeah, you gotta do what you gotta do. That's what you call jugaad. We are at this store called Balkan Lokan Tasi, and you see there's something Hindi kawarma, and then they have very delicious food items as well. I don't know what they're called, but you can also see the river from here. That's a pretty view. And my sister's calling me because you can find here fresh handmade
Guys, look at the
cosmetics.
No, Arey, look at the donut soaps. Look at this over here. The other side. Look at them. Zoom. Wow.
My mom is calling me Budi Amma. Do you really think, Mummy, really Budi Amma?
Yes. You
Budi
look
Amma.
like Budi Amma with the headgear that you are wearing, or maybe the way you are wearing your scarf.
Yeah.